Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel, and if this is your first time seeing our channel on YouTube here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that anytime we upload any video you will be the first person to see it. Thank you. So in today we are bringing you how to convert your Facebook account into Facebook page. How you can convert your Facebook account into Facebook page. So in Facebook account you normally upload picture, videos, and Facebook is not paying you. But when you are on Facebook business page and you become a content creator, you are going to be paid for any of your videos or your pictures or anything that you upload on your Facebook. So before you start, you must first of all have this Facebook app, the first Facebook app. That is the app you are going to use to log in into your Facebook account before you can convert it. And you must have at least 1,000 friends on your account. So let me log in now. You can see on the screen here. So let me log in. I'm going to insert my email address. This is my email address. You can see I'm inserting my email address now. You see it on the screen. So I'm going to insert my password. I'm going to insert my password. So I'm logging in now. So you can see my Facebook account here. This is my Facebook account. It's not my Facebook page. This is a Facebook account. You can see it here. This is my Facebook account. This is my Facebook account. You can see it here. I'm showing you. You can see the total number of friends that I have here. You can see it here, which is 1,482 friends. That is the total friends that I have in my account. You can see all of my pictures, my cover pictures. You can see all here. You can see everything here. You can see my cover picture here. So you can see this my Facebook account is not yet converted to Facebook page. Now in this particular place here now, I'm going to show you where you are going to go to, where to touch, so that you will be allowed to convert it. So you first of all see this particular place here, plus add to story. This is not the rightful place. You now see another one here, edit profile. It's not there. You see these three dots here, these three dots that you are seeing at the ending of it. You can see it here. Then you touch it. After touching it, then you are allowed to turn your Facebook account into Facebook page from here. So you will look for which is turn on professional mode. In the last page here, turn on professional mode. You can see turning on professional mode. You can see it here, turning on professional mode. See the first words here. You first of all see the picture, turn on your professional mode. Turn on professional mode. You can see here, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. And in a creator on Facebook, they are paying creator on Facebook. So in this place now, you are about to turn your Facebook account to creator on Facebook, which is business Facebook page. So you scroll down, you see the next one there, get paid for your content. Then the other one here, you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. you see the second one here, see content insert. Learn more about your audience and see how well your content is performing. Then the other one you are seeing here again, let more people follow you. Like what I said the other time, that immediately you turn your profile, which is your Facebook account, into Facebook business page, the total friends that you have under your account, all of them are going to become your followers. And any other person that want to add you, immediately he click, the person is not going to see add there again, he's going to see follow. And any person that click on that, touch on that follow, any person that touch on that follow, the person become your followers. So you see it here, let more people follow you. Your profile follower setting will be sent to public, so anyone can see your public content in their feed. You can still share privately to friends. So in this phrase now, you are going to turn on. So I'm turning on my professional mode, which is I'm turning to content on, which is a content creator on Facebook now. So you can see professional mode setup. Finish setting up your profile. Tell people about yourself and use your new professional tools to connect with your audience. So you can see here, create new content, add details about yourself. So in all this one, you fill the form. You can see the bottom ones here. I've already filled my form. Add your blog, then add your cover picture, add profile picture. So I've already filled all those forms. Now I'm going to switch back. Now you now see that my profile will automatically change. My profile will automatically change now. So you can see, you know, the first time when I open it, this add, which is this plus add to story, and under of it, you promote is not there. Then view tools is not also there, which is the normal Facebook account. But in this page, in this particular place now, the profile, my Facebook profile, have automatically converted to Facebook business page. And anything I'm going to post from this place now, and I'm having friends above 1,000, which is I'm having above 1,000 followers, and Facebook are going to be paying me. So let me scroll down. You are going to see you see profile, digital creator, then the website there, you see it there. Then you see edit public details. So you can see manage post. You can see some of my content that have already been created. You can see it here. You can see many of them here. You can see many of my content that have been created. So with like this now, you have successfully created your Facebook page, your Facebook business page, and anything you are going to post here, Facebook are going to be paying you. So if you like this video and you have not subscribed to our channel before, please help us by touching on the subscribe button, so that anytime we upload more video, you will be the first person to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye.